All right, guys, we are in Capas, and I figured while we're here, we're gonna do a walk through Capas here. Check out the market. Gotta find somewhere to eat. We're hungry. I'm using a GoPro, so if it's a little bouncy, I apologize. But we're up on a walkway right now. Right there's the Dominican College of Tarlac. Capas is part of Tarlac. So that's where we're at. Here's Lut. Hey, maybe we'll have Lut do the vlog. You want to do the vlog, Lut?
Welcome to Capas.
Welcome to Capas.
Yeah, we're gonna roam around here in Capas and let's see what's in there.
Yeah, let's see what's in there.
You guys come along, let's go.
They have an elevator here, but I really don't think it works.
No, because actually the elevator works from the beginning at the end of maybe a year or something. We just don't get it one or all.
Yeah, I'm sure it worked at one point.
Yeah.
Right here is the Capas.
Elementary.
Capas, what's that? Gabaldon Elementary School. So, like I said, we're going to take a stroll this way and check out the market. And find somewhere to eat. Oh, look, it says be careful, it's wet. All right, here is what we're having for lunch. We're having rice, soup.
Yeah, papaitan soup.
Papaitan soup. What is it, goat?
Yeah, from the goat.
Stomach?
Yeah, it's bile.
Bile. Bile soup. Goat bile soup, I guess. Sisig. Goat caldereta. And some water. That's what we're having. Like I said, Lut has never eaten goat, so the first time. All right, Lut. Try your goat. Tell me what you think. Yeah, I thought goat was good too.
It's good. It's like the meat is tender. There is
Yeah,
no,
yeah, the meat's tender.
There is no like kind of smell in it.
Right.
You can taste it.
How about the soup? Did you try the soup?
No, I don't.
Give the soup. Did you try it? You don't like it?
I'm not really because it's like better.
Yeah, it's bitter.
But it's better.
There it is. Lut's first time to ever try eating goat meat, and she likes it. All right, so we just got done eating. Our meal was 190 pesos. That was about 190 is roughly, I don't know, $4, something like that. And that was with a soda and a bottled water, and of course rice. Well, you've seen what we had. So, but here's the market now. Pretty empty.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
This one, sir.
It's pretty empty because it's afternoon, so the market's empty. Yeah. Like what it says in the mornings, it's when your markets are full. Come the afternoon, everybody pretty much packs up and leaves. You have some, as you can see, you still have some vendors here. You just walk back here. It's a fairly nice sized market. Say what? They're eggs. They're big. You know, it's just like almost every other market you go into here in the Philippines. Same. Now, if you get to the markets closer to the ocean, you're going to have a lot more variety of seafood to choose from. St. Nicholas de There it is. There it is. Whatever Lut said. You get a lot of these shrines as you go through these smaller provinces, right?
Right.
Yeah. You'll see a lot of different shrines. have mass going on right now. I can hear it. Oh, they're all over there waving. They all want to be on video. All right, we'll put them on video.
Yo, shout out to the video, man.
Shout out to what?
Shout out to Paranoid.
Anoid.
I'm paranoid.
Yeah. The Paranoid is passion in this place, Capas.
Capas?
Yes, this place is Capas.
Yeah. This place is Capas.
Yes, and
Uh-oh.
we are the hype beast.
Hype.
And the name of group Paranoid.
Paranoid.
Yeah.
What do you do? You dance? You sing?
Fashion.
Fashion? Oh, you're all fashion people.
Language Merak.
All right, guys. Thank you.
Yeah.
Salamat.
Hey, Daddy, wait me.
Hey, Daddy. Bunch of friendly kids.
I think because they're like having a
Mass.
or something. I'm not gonna interrupt.
I'm not going to walk in. I'm just going to walk up here. I wouldn't interrupt the mass, but I will walk up here and film it. And it's starting to drizzle, rain.
With which he fully accepted God's salvific plan, prompt and silent obedience to the will of God, love for and fulfillment of the law through piety for teaching in time of trial.
Oh, Lord's following me because it's starting to rain.
Blessed Virgin Mary, in dutiful exercise of his paternal
All right, I got to get up underneath
and
this
fruitful reticence.
awning right here.
Masasabi na natin ang pagiging ulirang Amang Jose.
Uh-oh, look, found some dresses. What are you doing?
Looking for the price.
How much? Macano?
There is no
There's probably no price. It's probably according to your size. It's all formal. Like, these are all nice dresses, right? Like formal dresses? Yeah. You got little suits. Uh-huh.
I think this is for like wedding.
Wedding. Yeah, wedding. You got nice little dresses back here for kids. Oh, you can walk in here, pal. Oh. Hello. Yeah, very nice. Well, they would fit you to size.
It's good for like churches.
Yeah. Buns and Fire Forever. Buns and Fire Forevermore. Is that a restaurant? Yeah. Look, we should have ate at this place.
Huh?
We should have ate here.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
When we did that.
We already ate.
The other is like the oven.
Hot dogs, burgers, French fries. We know it's here. This is the first time I've ever been here, Capas. Never been to Capas. Look said she's been through Capas on a trip going north, Pangasinan, but she said it was dark, so she never really seen it. There's the front of the public market, Capas Public Market. I was talking to the one kid in there, and we were saying how clean it was, and he said the mayor here is really strict on look, on cleanliness here. Boy, the sidewalks are jammed full of motorbikes. Like a maze. It's a maze. It is Fresh Options meets. Huh? Some more loud music. Pawn shop. Yeah, this is crazy. This guy's parked. And they just park all over the sidewalks here. Just gotta do like these kids, just walk down the middle of the road. Just trike all over. And music. Always music. Hanson Drugstore. There's some peanuts. Look.
I already did my peanuts.
Look, already bought some peanuts. What's this place? Another bakery. Poultry, chicken food, chicken feed. For your chicken, all your chicken needs. Hot dog food if you got a dog. What else we got here? Bakery. I don't know. Yeah. More chicken feed. Can you sit here?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna have a seat. There's a bomb. Look, watch out for the bomb. Gotta watch out for them bombs. Got the red ribbon. Red ribbon. Red ribbon. We got more guys. All right. Hello. All right, the sun's out. Look. Hey, man. Hello. You need a one of those?
What is that?
Right there in that glass box. You sure? All right.
I'm okay.
All right.
The bag? No, I don't want it.
No. Wanna? Yeah.
No. I have it.
Oh. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
All right. Good.
Yes.
Oh, no money. Voila. Here's a pet store. Pet store. Dental clinic. All right. Western Union, Lawyer, or Cebuana, Western Union, pawn shops. All right, we'll cross the road up here. Here's some more dresses, look. They look pretty road grime. And there's a McDonald's way down there. Alright, let's cross the road here.
How do we go?
Yeah, we'll cross the road.
Woo.
Hold out your Iron Man hand. Come on, look. Don't get run over by that big truck.
Huh?
Don't get run over by that big truck or that jeepney. Hardware store. These are electric motorcycles, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, electric motorbikes. Goldilocks Bakery, hello.
That's not bakery, that's Goldilocks.
That's a bakery, right?
No, that's Goldilocks.
What are they selling there?
Cake.
Yeah, bakery. Watch here, look. Gotta watch, some of the sidewalks pretty bad. Don't want to fall in, that's for sure. Where's the train? Where?
Oh, there's
That's a police post, look.
it's the same thing we said it like where's that there?
I thought this was a train.
Memorial Park. Memorial Park.
Yeah, it's a police outpost. Portable police outpost. Little markets, little supermarkets, clothing markets. All right, here is the public market from the outside. We just kind of walked up maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 blocks and walked around, as you guys seen, and checked everything out. I definitely got to give it to Capas. It is a lot cleaner than Angeles City. They say the mayor's strict on cleanliness here, so. But this is Capas. Hello. Oh no, hindi po. It is a lot bigger than what I'm just showing you. It goes down the road a little ways and looks like it's, you know, more down that way. But anyways, like I say, this is our first time, my first time, and Lut's first time walking around up here in Capas. So you know what, you like to walk around videos, and like I said, we're trying to get out away from Angeles City a couple times a month, check out some of these little smaller barangays and stuff, but it's very nice out here. Air just smells a lot healthier. Oh no, hindi po, thank you. Air just smells a lot cleaner out here, and it's nice because, you know, as you're coming out here, you go by the rice fields, and it's nice. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Let me see, where's Luddy? What do you got to say? I'm wrapping this one up.
If you haven't subscribed, it's same. Yeah.
There it is. Same, guys.
We're almost there at 20,000
We're almost
subscribers.
there.
So please subscribe to his YouTube channel. Give some thumbs up, thumbs down, 30 dollars. Till next time.
There it is.